Sana, one thing I've been very impressed and I've watched you in the last year and a half is your fitness journey and your transformation, a complete transformation. So share with us, what did that journey look like and what have you done?
I've always been a very healthy and fit person in life.
Right.
Yeah, and when you've always been a tall, medium-sized person in your life, and then you get married and then you have a baby and you are
Yes.
suddenly XXL.
Yes.
Right?
And that is depressing.
I don't know if I would call
Was
it
it
depressing.
depressing for
'Cause
you?
No, as I say, I always look to the positive side of life. So I was really enjoying the journey of being in that size. More than that, what mattered for me are the beautiful feelings which I was having from having the baby. So I practice that in every situation in life. If there is a
Brilliant.
difficulty, I see what is the better thing in this moment that I can extract out of it. So
Okay.
it's applicable like hardcore in every aspect of my life. So when I was a size, not just double XL, even a triple XL,
Okay.
I was just enjoying eating my parathas, putting the sugar in my chai.
Adding the ghee.
Yeah, and loving the ghee. Okay. And not only just that, because like, when you're hugging your baby, do you really think about your size in that moment? No.
No.
And yes, it was less encouraging to be in the glamorous parties, but does it really matter? No.
No.
It doesn't matter. It only matters when you make it matter.
Yes.
So, and it didn't matter to me. So it didn't matter to anyone else.
Right. Right.
So I didn't let my size come in the place. For the last 6 years of my marriage, I've been pregnant, hefty, and busy with my kids and making the family.
Yes.
And I was enjoying it left, right, and center.
Right.
In every way.
Okay.
And I've been on the stage.
Yes.
I've been performing. We've had
Yes.
film fairs. I've been hosting. I've been
Yes.
doing everything that I need to do and I
Yes.
want to do without anything, affecting my confidence.
Okay.
Reason being, I am there on the stage, not my size. And
Right.
when that was my perspective, that was also the audience's perspective.
That is really inspirational. Because I'll tell you personally, I've had 2 kids and I've gained and I've been like 85 kgs pumpkin. But I was always like, no, I need to go back to my old size. At least I need to lose weight. I felt conscious. Like, I'll be honest, I felt conscious when you were not fitting into that dress. And
The fun part of being, I think the fun part of being in a shape which is not to your liking,
Yes.
is that it's okay, you're out of shape, so kya
Yeah.
isse zyada kya kharab hoga?
अब तो हो गया.
Like, when
Yes.
you start getting towards the better shape of
Yes.
yours, like, I think right now I'm in a better shape of mind, which I want to be.
Yes.
So now I'm looking at different angles and I'm
Yeah.
like, oh, this is not right. And then
Yes.
I'm like, Sana,
Yes.
just one
Just
year
remember.
ago, you would have done anything to come back to this
Yes.
shape. So be grateful, be thankful, and be
Yes.
proud of yourself. But see, why I wanted to lose weight, looking good, for sure, is an amazing reason.
Yes.
But is it my first reason? No.
What's your first reason then?
My reason was because I have 3 children, I want to run around and play with them.
Okay.
Yeah. First.
Yes.
Yeah. And I want to be that strong mom who can take one on my back and 2 on my both
Brilliant.
arms. Yeah. So first of all, I wanted to play with my kids.
Yes.
Second, I have always believed that health is the right pathway towards the right quality of life. Is it the longevity which is important? Is it the quality of life which is important? So for me, if I want to live any years of life, I want it to live in health. So when I'm tomorrow 60 or 70, I would try that my joints are better.
Okay.
I'm living better and I'm able to combat any kind of, immune responses or anything which for my health better.
Right.
So that is one of my primary reasons after my
Brilliant.
kids
Brilliant.
to be able to be healthy.